Okay, now next one. Holiday is coming. Kids usually sing this, especially when they are going on holidays soon, maybe after the examinations on the assembly ground. They'll be like, holiday is coming, holiday is coming. No more money bells, no more money bells, no more teachers weep, no more teachers weep. Go back teachers, go back teachers. La 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 la. So do do mi re do so, do mi re do so, fa mi fa fa mi fa fa mi re do so, do re mi re do so do. Good. The next one is the day is bright and fair. Oh, happy the day of joy. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day. So it goes like this. Mi so la so mi so mi re la mi so la mi so fa so mi. That's that. Now next one. The last one on the list. Wherever you go, wherever you be. I'm trying to remember the words of the song. Do not say yes when you think, when you need to say no. Baba Ibadan. So it goes like this. Do re mi la do. Then some kids will shout go go Congo mi fa sol la so si si e ko so mi do la re do ti la ti do. Baba Ibadan. Okay, thanks for watching. Just make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you can get our ebook of Tonic solfa of over 250 Nigerian praise and worship songs. Very helpful ebook, I must tell you. So just log on to myconfuse.com and find details on how you can get the ebook. How you can get the ebook. We have other ebooks of Tonic solfa of hymns. See, ebook of 250 Nigerian praise and worship songs. Get a piano guide also for free. So the website is quite helpful for beginners, especially if you play the saxophone. And you can always call us on this phone number or send us a message on WhatsApp on the same phone number. Okay. So the account details you make payment into. So thanks for watching.